Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We're seeing equities bounce back, well, at least the S&P. The Nasdaq's remaining soft, but it is so far responding to major three-star support at 12,900. Now, the S&P is moving through some resistance, but that big level we still have to get out above is 39.39. I'll tell you what, though, late in the day yesterday, the second half of the day, that just slow bleed lower. That really concerned me. It's rare that you see such a slow bleed into the day, no panic at all, that doesn't get quite a bit of follow-through. Now, you did see some panic at the end of the day in the response to rare major four-star support. And you know what? The PMIs this morning out of Eurozone jump-started risk assets, and we're sort of right back on track. The Russell's really what's been hit very hard this week. And we're looking at resistance 22.33 all the way up to 22.47.50 or so that needs to get through in order to start repairing. And that's going to be the resistance. It gets above there, can start repairing. And tell you what, if it gets above there, the S&P is likely out above major three-star resistance at 39.39. All of this could happen, but we need to see the Nasdaq also hold against that major three-star support. You got energies working back here today. Now, crude oil started to move higher last night. The Suez Canal news did help, but it was those PMIs in Europe that really got things going. And after the inventory data today, we've seen crude just really sort of a straight shot. Tell you what, I even tried to put some orders in. I haven't even been able to get filled on those, as the market is just basically just grinding and melting higher in crude oil back above $60. You know what you got to look at though is 61.5 up to 61.90 in the May contract. That's the area that's going to be big resistance, and then we could maybe fall back there at least on the first test. And then gold and silver moving well. Platinum is holding that low as too. So we're seeing the metals really trying to work off those lows, and the rate story is better because you're seeing the rates fall back. Those bonds are moving up right now, and that's helping precious metals. The dollar's off the session highs. The strength in Europe has helped the dollar sort of give a reason for it to fall back, but the metals really need a dollar weaker and a continued tailwind in treasuries in order to really build up more strength. Give us a call. We're here to help with anything on the board, 312-278-0500. Remember though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and not suitable for all investors.